Good day and welcome to another WizzWatch. This is your host Marlin Rolle. Today is October 21st, 2008, and I have a few stocks that I would like to talk to you about today. The very first stock is our symbol SCON. It's Superconductor Technologies. And Superconductor Technologies ended the day today having a super day, basically up 78% on the day. And if you have a close look at this chart, you will notice right here that the stock did end the day at $1.64 per share with a nice big Marabuja candle closing at close to the highs of the day at $1.68. But it broke through this 50-day moving average right here. That's this green line right here at $1.59, which is a good sign that superconductor technologies will move a lot higher. But also, what I'm looking for right now is a break of this $1.70 area right here, and the second step after that is a break of this $2.50 area right here, which was the old high in this price of the stock. And also we have the 200-day moving average right here at $3.14. And today we had heavier than average volume coming into superconductor technologies. The average daily volume on the stock is about 88,000, but at the end of the day up 299,644. Also, we had the mic divergence turning to the upside right here as well. We also had a relative strength moving to the upside, breaking through the 50 line area, which was a good sign that it will move a lot higher. And also, we have the money flow indicator right here, which is basically turning up as well. And like I mentioned, superconductor technologies ended the day with its last price at $1.64, up 72 cents on the day, or 78.26% on heavier than average volume at 299,644. The very next stock on the list is symbol TMA. That's Thornburg Mortgage. I spoke about this one yesterday in my last video, and basically after I spoke about it, it ran up about 19% today. And if you have a close look at the chart right here, I'm looking for a move above this about $3.25 area after breaking through $3.14 right here, which is the green line, and that is the 50-day moving average. And once it breaks above that area, we will see Thornburg Mortgage move a lot higher. And after that move, basically I would like to see a move above the old high right here at about $6. And that would be a nice big move to the upside. But as of right now, Thornburg Mortgage is up about 132% between Monday and today. And that is a 2-day run of 132%. That is a big move. And basically, Thornburg Mortgage ran up as high as about $2.96 today. And it opened this morning at $2.30, but closed yesterday at about $2.12. But in the pre-market, it gapped up on the opening, and it ran all the way up to, like I mentioned, about $2.96, and that was a big move. Basically, it was up about 30% earlier on in the morning. And if we have a close look at this area right here, this is what I'm looking at. Basically, we had heavier than average volume going into the price of the stock at the end of the day at about 6.5 million, and the average daily is basically at 2.4 million. Also, we had the mic divergence, which is basically starting to turn more and more to the upside, and basically needs to break out of this area right here, this zero line area, and it will take the stock a lot higher. And also the relative strength right here in this area is also building a little bit as well, and the money flow indicator is also turning up, so money is coming into the price of Thornburg Mortgage, which will help it run up a lot higher as well. And like I mentioned, at the end of the day, the last price on the stock was about $2.56 per share, up 41 cents on the day, up about 19%, 19.07% on heavier than average volume at 6.5 million. The very next stock on the WizzWatch radar today is China Green Tech Corp, symbol GRRF. And China Green Tech Corp is a company that trades on the Nasdaq. And this stock had a monster run today, a big, tremendous move. After pulling back, if you have a close look at the chart, it pulled back from around $4.13, and that was in early September. And after that pullback, this stock ran all the way down and ended yesterday with a low of 78 cents, but opened this morning right in this area right here, and ran all the way up to $1.82, but closed to end the day at $1.62. And the next move that I'm looking for is basically a break of that $1.82 as well, And basically, once it breaks above that $1.82, the pivot point for me right now is at about $1.85, between $1.82 and $1.85. And after that move, the next step is basically to break the 50-day moving average right here at about $2.74, and then we might be able to take out that old high right here at about $4.13, and which will take the stock a lot higher as well. But we also have the 200-day moving average right here at about $4.80. And what I'm looking for right now, like I mentioned, is a move to the upside above that $1.85. But if you have a close look at this volume area, the volume basically increased fivefold. The average daily volume on the stock is basically 268,000, but today 1.49 million. That is a big move. Heavy volume going into the price of the stock, and also you will notice that the MAC divergence turned to the upside as well. And we also have the relative strength, which is gearing up, but it needs to cross this red line right here, and that is the 50 line area. And once it breaks above that area, the stock will move a lot higher. And also we have the money flow indicator, which is also turning up as well. But another thing to watch is any pullback in the price of the stock. I would look for a pullback. Probably this is a 50% retracement right here in this area, and if it does pull back, basically I would expect it to pull back to this 50% retracement area, and that is at about $1.32. But at the close of the day, like I mentioned, the last price on China Green Tech was $1.62, up 82 cents on the day, or 102.25% on 1.49 million volume. That is huge volume, and that's a big move. So please keep this one on your radar. Please keep China Green Tech on your radar for a big price move to come. Yesterday was a day when I talked about two stocks that traded in the medical sector. One was VPHM, Biopharma, and the next was Neogen. Both trade in the medical sector, which is the number one sector that's moving the market right now. And the next stock that I would like to talk to you about today is symbol MED, and the name of the company is Medifast, which trades in the New York Stock Exchange in the personal care sector. And if you have a close look at this chart, you will notice that the stock pulled back from price high of about $9.09 back in late August, and after that pullback, it pulled all the way down to about $4.07 right around here, and it basically formed this W formation. And yesterday, when I talked about the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, and the S&P 500, all three of those indices had the same W formation, which is called a double bottom formation. And after that W was formed, the stock did move higher today and broke out from a low opening price of $5.26 all the way up to a high of $6. And it ended the day at $5.81. And what I'm looking for right now is a move above about $6.05, right at the high of the day today, and taking it up to that 50-day moving average of about $7.07 right here, because once it breaks through that 50-day moving average, the stock would move a lot higher. And the next step after that is to basically break above the old high of $9.09, which would take the stock a lot higher as well. But please look at the volume area. You will notice that we had heavy volume coming to the price of the stock today, but it is below my average daily trading range of 250,000. The average daily volume on the stock is basically 111,000, and today it had a higher than average volume of 161,000. And also the MAC divergence basically crossed as well. We also have the relative strength right here at about the red line, but it needs to cross the red line in order to move higher. We also have the money flow indicator, which is also turning up as well. At the end of the day today, the stock ended trading at about the last price at $5.81, up 60 cents or 11.52% on lighter than my normal trading volume of 250,000, but at 161,311. And if you're tired of taking losses but interested in making profits, send me an email. My email address is WizzWatch@gmail.com, and you can also check me out every week with my weekly newsletter at WizzWatch.blogspot.com. That's WizzWatch.blogspot.com. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day and happy trading.
This has been another WizzWatch presentation. These stocks are not buy recommendations. Please do your own due diligence or get help from a professional before trading.